Hello friends, welcome to Clipping Amazon Photoshop tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Moody dark black color gradient effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Open the photo and make a duplicate copy of it by pressing Ctrl+J. Now make active the duplicate layer and go to the channels of the photo. After that, go to Image, the Mode and then Lap Color. Now click the Don't Merge option. Go to the channel A and press Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C. Then go to B channel and press Ctrl+V. Now go to the Lap channel and press Ctrl+D. And go to Layers. Again go to Image, then Mode and then RGB color. Also click on Don't Merge. Then go to Adjustment Layer and Hue Saturation. We will get this window. Now change the hue and saturation color. Keep the preset custom and for master we will take the saturation is +20. For cyans, the hue is +10 and saturation is -70. Now go to the selective color. For red color, cyan is -30, magenta is +10 and yellow is +30. Now for cyan's color, cyan is +50. For white color, cyan is +20. And for neutrals color, cyan is +5, magenta is +5, yellow +30 and black is +5. Finally for black color, cyan is +50, magenta is +50 and yellow is +100. Now go to levels and set the output levels is 5. Now select the all layers except the main layer and make them a group by pressing Ctrl+G. Now have a look, the photo turns into a dark mode. If you think this video is helpful for you, then do like and subscribe to our channel. For more updates, feel free to visit our website www.clippingamazon.com. Thanks for watching.